Imagine a team of rescue robots entering a collapsing building, where one robot can just see color, another can just see shapes, and the third can sense nothing but heat. There's a team of robots there to save lives, but they don't see the world the same way. Now that's the problem. When we have a team of agents in robotics or reinforcement learning as a field, and they have the ability to communicate, we assume the job is done. But if you're anything like me, and if you've ever misinterpreted a fine or an okay over text, getting information is not quite the same as understanding it. But we humans, unlike robots, we talk about it, we reiterate, and we keep talking until we arrive at common ground. And especially in the psychology literature, we call this establishing common ground. Now, this problem is what I want to address with my research. How can different AI agents learn to establish this common ground? This challenge sits in a field called heterogeneous agent reinforcement learning, where heterogeneous is just a fancy word to say that these agents are inherently different. They have different priorities, different roles, different software. They talk different languages. But they're all here for the same mission. And if they're not able to reconcile the meaning differences, the mission fails. These agents have policies, which are essentially their brains, and these brains are optimized to take the best action possible. And in the case of robots, it's usually the physical action. And communication is treated as an add-on to this optimized logic. So my proposed approach is, instead of having one brain handle both if you move left or right or up or down, and also figure out what needs to be communicated, I have two policies, one for action and one for the communication. And this communication brain, the robots can talk to each other in micro conversations, and they establish an internal shared belief that's essentially their internal common ground. But why is this important? In the future of AI, it's not going to be a fleet of identical clones. It's going to be a mix of very diverse robots. Robots working together amongst themselves and also working with us. And in this future, where if we have to rely on the machines that we work with, they need to be able to not just share information, but actually understand. So closing with the hypothetical I started with, when they walk into that collapsing building, my research hopes to take that one step to make sure that they don't just sending information, but they're actually working together. Thank you.